Hey Major, you have 1 week to walk before your first birthday. Come on. Show it Lily and Allie how you're trying to walk. If obstacles would get out of your way. What is that getting in your way? Did Packer leave that out? Yeah, but you do like to stand up all by yourself. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you come walk to me? No. Oh, just a little too far. Here, let me help you stand up. Okay, let's stand up. Can you say bye-bye? Major. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. 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 Packer. What are you doing, big boy?